we are gonna work on moving those shoulders, the last of the big three. We've already got his face, then we moved his butt. The last thing we're gonna do is move those shoulders. How are we gonna do that? Slide that inside rein down to the shoulder. There we go, cross those shoulders up. Inside front leg crossing over the outside leg. Good job. We can even go back and forth, move his butt, go to his shoulders. Nice, good job, buddy. Move his butt, go to his shoulders. Do you see a little pattern here? It's the exact same thing I do from the ground. When I get them in first grade and we're doing that small circle and I want to start moving their body parts, I look at the body part that I want to move and then I bring their face towards it.